Oh shit, got one. Yeah, it's not huge, but it's a keeper. He won't let go of the meat. Come on, man. You don't want to give up the chicken. There we go. What's going on, YouTubers? We're down here at our Astor Fish Camp, and as you can see, we've added a little collar to the place. We went over to Flagler Beach a while back, and as we were going through town, we noticed a couple of trailers that had all this cool like graffiti paint on them. And so we backed up and went up to them, and then we seen this emblem on them. So we looked it up, and it ended up being this guy. It's called it's East_Mental on Instagram. So Gail looked him up, messaged him, and said we would love some of this on our place, and here we go. Gail had him add these emblems, and each one has a special meaning. And then of course I love the pelican and the crab and the fish. And Gail just had to have one of his funky little turtles. And then the dragonfly, which has special meaning. But I'm all about the fish. To see more stuff like this, guys, go to Steven's Instagram. It's east_mental. Pretty awesome stuff. Pretty darn cool.